Hey Ron, it's Eric and I'm back again today with another video. This time we're going to be talking about how the ART Tube MP Studio V3 microphone and instrument preamplifier sounds. And this video has been much anticipated and much teased, so I'm really happy to be finally bringing it to you guys now. Before we get started, I just want to talk a little bit about the signal path and the kind of gear that I'm using in this video. Today I will be using the Rode NT2A condenser microphone, and if you have a look closely here at these settings, it's the pattern is cardioid, picking up the signal directly from the front, and I don't have any padding or any high pass filters engaged, so it's just a completely clean signal coming into this microphone. And then out of that, the signal will be running into our ART Tube MP Studio V3. I have the input knob completely set to the right, and this plus 20 dB gain button not depressed, so we're getting plus 40 dB of gain for the input, and the output knob is set completely to the right as well, so we're getting plus 10 dB of gain. And then out of that, I'm running a balanced signal line level into our Focusrite Scarlett 2i4 first generation. I'm running it into the input number 1, and I've got it set to the line position because we're running a line level signal. And here you can see the gain knob is set completely to the left, so I'm not bringing any additional gain into from the Scarlett interface into the DAW. So out of the Scarlett interface, I'm running it into my DAW of choice, which is Pro Tools 11. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so at the moment, what we've got here is the voicing knob on the flat neutral position, as you can see here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to speak, and then as I speak, I'm gonna turn this knob clockwise, so to the right, and then we'll do a full circle so you can hear exactly what preset this sounds like. Once again, remember our input knob is directly to the right, so we're getting plus 40 dB of gain into the preamplifier, and then out of it plus 10 dB, and then no additional gain from the Scarlett Focusrite Scarlett interface. Okay, here we go. The quick brown fox jumped over the fence. 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 Okay guys, so that was it. Which one of these presets was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I won't be adding any signal processing after the signal has entered the DAW, so there won't be any compression or EQ in the box. What you're hearing is exactly how the preamplifier treats the signal and colors it and flavors it, but that's it. So no other onboard effects or anything like that. What you hear is the preamp itself. For those of you who are interested, the headphones I'm using are the Audio-Technica ATH M50Xs, and I reviewed those headphones elsewhere on this channel, so go ahead and have a look and check out that video. Okay, that's pretty much it guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know which V3 voicing preset you like the most in the comments, and stay tuned for the next video.